he shoulda never did that shit. Now we call her just the killer bitch. When it hunt you, fuck a hoe, yeah, killer bitch.
I tell the girl to holler quick. I get them digits quick. It ain't no coming down with me. You know I'm deadly tryna hit. Just I make her do the splits. She couldn't even do that shit until she met me in Moscato and Patron killed the bottle. Goddamn, I'm fucking her. I'm pressing on the throttle. She been gassing all night, but now she empty. I'm a throttle. I'm full. I told you automatic need a plate because I roll on gasoline and niggas still eat off my plate. I'm making money, bitch. Run around, I told you ain't no funny shit. Ballin' on you niggas cause you niggas still bunny, bitch. I be fresh even in bunny clothes. Smurf cap phone and you niggas need the cats on. What I be saying, spitting down, tell them I be laying down. Bullet looking around, I already told you, gotta slap them down the ribs. Her ass, that shit, yeah, I gotta grab. I ain't tripping on you, you ain't talking no cash, but your bitch, I might just spaz. Rollin', man. Hey, nigga, you better rap too.
Yo, it's still LOS, it's kinda young. Hey yo, I ain't care if a nigga feel my taste. I slap a nigga, then I had to catch a case. Yeah, I leave him like let his body get erased. Cause them niggas see them shots and get a nigga catch the clip. And I hit him when he slipped. He's a blood and he's a crip. I got a couple knives, couple shells slug up in this clip. And I hit you when your body parts are ripping pieces. Niggas disappear. And ain't talking about no telekinesis. Fuck that, I'm real. I ain't got a deal. Y'all niggas all changed, but I'm all about the bills. That dollar, y'all niggas better holler. No, not tomorrow. Y'all niggas see that beer and all y'all do is live in sorrow. And I never go and bubble, I would go and cash the check. And I go and get your bitch, and I get that bitch and shit. And I split it up in half. Ain't talking about the math, I wet these niggas up. Ain't talking bubble baths, but y'all niggas see the joke. Ain't try to even laugh, and y'all niggas try to breathe. Y'all niggas can't gas. I make your bitch clap, I make your bitch snap. I bend her over, fuck her good, and then your bitch snap. She right here on my side saying I love you kind. I'm like, no, all I did was just drop the bomb. And then I'm going, then I'm running inside your home. Oh shit, I fucked up, nigga, I'm back on phone.
Give him 2 shots to the dome. Pussy nigga talking, well pussy nigga get home. Told him boy, ain't no big bad wolf up in my forest. Niggas nothing but gladiators walk in my forest. Nigga, yeah, you touch my fortress, I kill you with my fortress. All you niggas guaranteed to talk. Zombie bitch, I torch shit. Walk around on my shit. Big talk on that bitch, I told you, yeah, you got the risk, but you your bitch, y'all niggas ain't shit. Talk a lot, I don't talk much because my hands is deadly. I don't even gotta tell you about the boxing, I'm a weapon, walk around. I told you, I kill and murder Muffin, niggas still be like he burn me, but your bitch is on my sauce, like that put me on pizza. I'm hot like some Doritos, niggas get to talking etchy, I told you sketchy like pictures. Y'all niggas talking, I get you, bitches, yeah, I hit them, and I love all of y'all hoes, but y'all still can't get it. Y'all ain't talking no money, all y'all bitches is funny. Y'all talking about y'all real, but y'all still act funny, joking around like some medieval times. And I ain't even the cream, I'm still in my prime. I'm still trying to rap, like fuck all of you bros, bitch.
Oh, yeah.